Hello, I'm in Minneapolis and it's cold and I'm being reminded of wanting to be outdoors and knowing that that's an option because I'm living in a van. So tomorrow I'm gonna drive south. So yeah, but it's also the full moon tomorrow. So there's this totally like bright introspection of like I have this light shining, hey, and we have this light shining from the moon, and like, what's been going on? What are we looking at? What's going on in our body, in our mind? What are we focusing on? And yeah, so I came up here to see a friend and her son. Um, so I'm having fun with them, and tomorrow I'm going to head south to warmer climates. We'll see how far I get in one day and then where I stay. And it's always interesting out here. Van life. Yeah. These videos, when I'm staying with people, are, I don't know, what I want to share. I'm sharing a lot with the people out there, so you know, if there's something specific you want to hear, let me know. Put it in the comments. There's a lot of things I'm learning. It's van life. It's a new city every 3 days. It's new people, new interactions, different like climate, emotional climate, industrial climate, actual climate, different dogs, dog climate. Yeah. Okay. I think that's all for tonight. And it's night 19. Oh my gosh. Yeah. I love you. And 10:20 in Denver. Come on out. Send your Denver people. Workshop at Lacuna, Juice and Yoga. It's a Sunday at noon. Follow along, hit subscribe, do all the things. I'm working on a new ambassador program. Oh, that's huge. It's in the works, so it will be out soon. But the Moon News goes out tomorrow, so if you're not on the Moon News list, shoot me your email. My email is vinnybwellness@gmail. That's VINNY, the letter B, wellness@gmail. I love you guys. Talk soon.